Modal perfect could have plus past participle expresses past possibility. It talks about things that were possible in the past, but did not happen. This structure shows unrealized opportunities or abilities from the past. The structure is could plus have plus past participle. Could is the modal verb. Have stays the same for all subjects. Past participle is the base verb plus ed for regular verbs or the irregular third form. This creates the complete modal perfect form. You could have done better on your exam means it was possible to get a better score, but you did not. I could have gone to the party, but I stayed home shows a past choice not taken. She could have helped, but she was busy indicates an unused opportunity. Could have expresses past possibility for things that were possible, but did not happen. It talks about unrealized opportunities in the past. The focus stays on past ability or opportunity that went unused. Could have shows past possibility without conditions. I could have called, but I forgot means it was possible, but did not happen. Would have needs a condition. I would have called if you asked me shows a hypothetical past dependent on something else. Negative form is could not have plus past participle or could not plus have plus past participle. It expresses past impossibility. I could not have arrived earlier means it was impossible due to circumstances. She could not have known the truth shows strong doubt. Could not have plus past participle expresses strong doubt or impossibility about past events. Use it when evidence makes something unlikely. She could not have driven there because her car keys remain on the table. This shows logical impossibility. Practice these examples. You could have called me means it was possible, but you chose not to. She could not have seen him shows past impossibility. We could have one easily indicates missed opportunity. They could not have forgotten expresses strong doubt.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.